Dapat mo pa bang ituloy yung life insurance policy na binabayaran mo? Remember that a life insurance policy is a contract. It's a contract between the policy owner and the life insurance company wherein a service is promised. And that service is this. In case the policy owner and the insured, would get into any of the events na supposedly kino-cover ng contract na yon, for example, death, disability, critical illness, in case that occurs, si company dapat bayaran ako or yung family ko nung predetermined amount as indicated in my policy. Now, paano ko i-assess kung sulit ba siya or hindi? You need to check the values. It has to be mathematically sound. Kung ito-total mo lahat ng premiums na binabayaran mo, it should ideally, technically, that should still be less than what the company is promising you. So for example, you are paying 2,000 pesos per month and then ang coverage sa'yo is 1 million pesos. So you now have to compute 2,000 pesos per month, how many months should it take you to keep on paying before mo ma-reach yung 1 million pesos na yon? Based on the math, paying 2,000 pesos per month, that is 24,000 in a year, it will take you at least 41 years of continuously paying to reach a 1 million peso amount. So you ask yourself, aabot ba ako sa 41 years nang hindi ko nagagamit yung 1 million pesos na yon? If the answer is yes, then you can honestly say na if lumagpas ka sa 41 years, then hindi na sulit yung contract mo. But of course, you always have to ask the what ifs. What if hindi naman ako umabot ng 41 years? What if on my second year of paying pa lang, nagamit ko na yung death benefit na yon? So in that case, sulit na yung contract mo. There is one thing that we cannot control, and that is time. You can always tell yourself na, but Isa, kaya ko namang pag-ipunan yung 1 million pesos na yon. Of course, kaya mo siyang pag-ipunan. But what do you need para magawa yung ipon na yon? Time. And we don't know how much time we have. That is something that you are buying with every life insurance contract that you sign. You are buying time because you are guaranteeing that service, that money, starting on the first day of having an approved insurance contract. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions about your contracts, your life insurance policies, just feel free to leave a comment and I will try to answer them in the next videos. Bye!